In this video, Kiki Review will review a smartphone from the Xiaomi brand, called Redmi Note 12 5G. Redmi Note 12 5G is future-ready with the new generation dual 5G support. Enjoy crystal clear video calls with 5G revolution. 6.67-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED display delivers vivid picture quality and sharp details. The Redmi Note 12 5G is powered by Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor. With 120Hz refresh rate will provide the best gaming experience in the segment. The Redmi Note 12 5G, using 5000 mAh battery, which means it can keep your phone powered up throughout the day. It also support 33W fast charging. Redmi Note 12 5G with 48 megapixels AI triple camera ensures you have perfect vacation-worthy photos and videos, along with an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixels. The Redmi Note 12 5G is available in 4GB RAM 128GB storage and 6GB RAM 128GB storage variants with up to 5GB virtual RAM and external memory expandable up to 1TB for the price and other variants of this Redmi Note 12 5G smartphone. Kiki Review has provided a link in the description and you can choose other variants of this Redmi Note 12 5G smartphone. Kiki Review thank you for watching this Redmi Note 12 5G video and see you soon.